This is a 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission, a 6.6-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, aluminum wheels, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Moritz Chevrolet Chrysler Jeep Dodge is located at 9101 Camp Bowie in Fort Worth. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.